Welcome to the Reflections Image Studio, where imagination meets reality. We know it can be hard to picture how your kitchen will look with a new splashback color. That's why we've created the Image Studio. It's your personal design space, built to help you visualize your dream kitchen before making a decision. Simply click on the color that catches your eye, and you'll be transported into a new space, featuring real-life images of that panel beautifully installed. From subtle tones to bold statements, you'll see how each color transforms a kitchen in its own unique way. The Image Studio makes it easier than ever to explore your options, find your favorite look, and get inspired with confidence. So go ahead, step inside the Image Studio, discover your perfect splashback, and see how your next kitchen upgrade could look in real life.